Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Kanika, your go-to channel for learning SQL and beyond. So far, we have covered the theory of SQL, what it is, its key concepts, and how it relates to the databases. Today, we are putting all of that into practice by writing and running our very first SQL query. Trust me, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you will feel like a data wizard. To get started, let's imagine a simple database with a table called students. This table contains information like student ID, name, age, and grade. Think of it as a digital version of your classroom attendance register. For this video, we will be using MySQL Workbench, but feel free to follow along using any SQL platform you have. The simplest query in SQL you can write is a select statement. Let's start with select star from students. This means give me all of the data residing in the student table. If you run this, you will get all of the rows and columns from our table. Amazing, right? Here. It has student ID, name, age, and grade. What the table is consist of. Now, what if we only want to see names and grades of the students? You can modify your query like this. Select name, comma, grade from students. Run it, and here we have all the names and the grades from the student table. Let's take it a step further, and let's say we only want to see the students who got the grade A, right? So let's write select star from students where grade is equals to A. Now this where condition or where filter, it adds a basically filter to the table, and it filter out all of the results with all of the student details having A grade. Let's run this. Let's run this, and voila. So we got all of the student details having the grade A. Today you learned how to write your first SQL query. We covered basics, selecting all data, retrieving specific columns, and adding conditions to filter results. In the next video, we will be diving into more advanced concepts like sorting or performing calculations. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy querying!